Hi, Jagdeesh.
Hi, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing great, ma'am. What about you?
Yeah, I'm good. Like this is Divya from Quality Department. Today I want to take a feedback video from your side.
Okay, ma'am. Sure.
Okay. Before starting that, congratulations for your placement.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Jagdish, can you introduce about yourself, about your college and native?
Yeah, ma'am. So actually, good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Jagadeesh. I'm from Nandyal, Andhra Pradesh. I've recently completed my graduation from Venkateswara College of Engineering and Technology, Chittoor.
Fine. Jagdish, how you got to know about CMTI Institute?
Yeah, through actually my friend has referred me to join here, ma'am.
Okay, like your friend also completed course here.
Yeah,
How
yes,
it is?
yes, ma'am. He has completed recently, ma'am. 1 year back.
Okay, that's nice. Like now, for which course you have enrolled for?
I took interior designing plus a BIM course, ma'am.
Okay, in interior designing, what are the new topics you have learned? How the course helped you to build up your career?
Basically, I am not familiar with the interior design, but I am aspiring to be an interior designer. When it comes to the topics, I have learned here all the design principles of the interiors, standard dimensions, and the materials, and also the cut list. These are the things I have learned in the interior designing course.
Okay, how about your softwares? What are the softwares you have learned?
When it comes to the softwares, I have learned AutoCAD, SketchUp, V-Ray, and also Revit, ma'am.
How was your interview rounds, like preparation? How you prepare yourself for your interviews?
My preparation is simple, ma'am. I stick on to my basics. I referred all the notebook what they said in the classrooms, and I gone to seen the videos from the app. From that, I have prepared, ma'am.
Okay, how was your interviews? Like, what are the rounds you have attended?
Basically, for me, 3 rounds has been done, ma'am. One is phone call round, and two is online interview. 3 rounds has been done.
Now, for which role you have selected for?
For the role, measurement executive, I have selected, ma'am.
The location?
Location Nagpur, Maharashtra.
Okay. Like, I think you're happy with your placement and the interview.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. I am happy.
Okay, finally, what you want to say to your friends and juniors about your placement and about CMTI Institute?
I suggest only one thing to my juniors and who are coming to here. Like if you are aspiring to be an interior designer, or else you want to strive into the get into the civil core industry, CMTI is the best platform to grow in your network. I would suggest them if you need the great platform, it is the best one.
Okay, Jagdish, thank you for your feedback. Have a bright future. Congratulations for your placements.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Jagdish.